After a long pause, OTOAI hosted a physical members meet in New Delhi.
It's a very casual kind of a event, and where we just wanted to meet, we wanted to kickstart the business now. Let's cross our finger if no more COVID and we are back on track, and that's what the today event about. That let's get ready, let's gear up, and let's get restart. This is the first event in Delhi, and we are going to have some more events in pan-India basis.
We are just hoping that there will be no third wave, and the business will be back on track, and I think the travel industry will bloom again.
We are meeting various hoteliers, we are meeting the embassies, we are meeting even the members on a one-on-one basis. We are asking them about the issues they are facing. We are talking to VFS to do their webinars on the visa procedures. There are every country has a different procedure to enter. So we are on a continuous chase with the VFS team as well as with the embassies to do these webinars or maybe a physical meet now, so that all the agents should know what exactly they need to prepare before they send the customer to that specific country.
This is one of our first initiatives. We have actually wanted everybody to come out and feel comfortable. We have started asking our clients also to move out, and once we move out, they will see what we are doing and they will follow.
We could see that frequency of travels are more. Instead of just doing 2 trips in a year of family holidays, or people are looking for now quarterly, the trips traveling, looking forward. So we are very positive about the industry, and I'm sure in a span of another 1 or 2 months, we will see that the traveling to US, UK, Canada. Once it comes back to the normal, then there will be a huge improvement in the business.
It seems that it is to give positivity to the OTOAI members, because it's time to come back for us, and it will give a lot of positivity.
All flights from Pune Airport will not operate for 14 days from the 16th of October. According to the IATA recent survey, 67% people feel borders should be open now. 65 room zone connect Darjeeling to open doors.